Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where fuses relays for the AC clutch, AC compressor clutch are located, guys, on GMC Terrain, that generation from year 2010 to 2017. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quick and easy fix. We'll talk about that. In addition, what you need to check except fuses and relays, how you can easily fix your AC as well. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the AC clutch, guys, also known as the AC compressor clutch, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them, guys. Okay, quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know we have hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a ton of money, guys. Go ahead and open the passenger door. Here in the footwell compartment, on the passenger side, you see on the side of the center console you have that cover that you grab, pull that cover out, and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we will need to check 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more components. So where they're located, some of those are for climate control, AC compressor, AC clutch. You need to check over them if you have problems with your air conditioner. And starting here, the first one, guys, that we need to check, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Fuse number 12 right here will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 14, check that one. And you need to check fuse 29 right here. Then go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood on your GMC Terrain, here on the driver's side, you see you have that next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have that main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there. You can like squish them together, lift the cover up, and underneath is the main engine fuse box. Here we need to check 2 more components. We're talking about fuse 31. Okay, very important fuse for the AC clutch right there. And relay, guys, 62 right here. So those are the main things. Now if you still have problems with the AC not working, even though your AC may be perfectly fine and everything works correctly, it may be blowing hot air, we'll have a video on the channel why AC air conditioner blows hot warm air on GMC Terrain. Check it out, it will teach you top 10 things you need to check, and one of those is not directly related to the AC. It could be something else causing your AC to blow hot air. Video will be on the channel if you need help with that. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump. You don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.